In today's video, I am going to teach you how to upload GIF to Constant Contact. Begin by logging into your Constant Contact account and looking at the top navigation menu. From there, click Channels and then select Emails. This is the main area where you create and manage email campaigns, so it is the right place to start any email that will include an animated GIF. Next, start a new email campaign. Look for the button that says Plus Create or Plus Create an Email and click it. This will launch the email creation flow and take you into the template selection screen. Now you will choose a template from the template library. Pick a layout that fits the message you are sending and leave space where your animation will be easy to see. As a helpful tip, if you want a layout that is designed with animated content in mind, use the search option and type animated or watch for templates that show a GIF tag on the thumbnail. Those templates typically work well for motion graphics and can make your GIF feel more intentional in the design. After you select your template, Constant Contact will open the email designer. This is the editor where you build the email by adding and arranging content blocks. To insert your GIF, go to the left-hand toolbar and click the Images tab. In some accounts or layouts, this may appear under an Elements tab instead, but the goal is the same. You need an image block. Drag an image block into the email canvas and place it exactly where you want the GIF to appear, such as near the top for visibility or next to a section you want to highlight. Once the image block is in place, click on that block to open its options. Choose Replace, and then upload your GIF file from your computer. If your GIF is hosted online, you can use the Insert from URL option instead, and paste the direct link to the GIF. Give the email a quick preview in the designer to confirm the GIF displays in the correct spot and looks clean within the layout. That covers everything you need to know.